How to fix undefined on Instagram app. Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix undefined on Instagram app. Now, undefined on Instagram app usually means the app is encountering an unexpected error, like due to problems with your internet connection, outdated app version, or corrupted data with the app. There might be a bunch of different reasons why the issue might have occurred, and similarly there are also different ways to fix it. So I will not be able to guarantee you that these methods that I show you will be able to fix the issue all at once, or it's a guaranteed way to fix it. However, if you're lucky enough, this method might be helpful. Now, what you want to do is, first of all, check your internet connection. So for internet, what I recommend you to do is you want to make sure to disable it, completely disable it, and try connecting to a better ones, or you could actually connect it to a new network, or you could actually enable cellular data for a couple of seconds. That should be able to help you out. At the same time, what you also want to do is check for an update. Sometimes outdated version can lead to such error. So go to your respective app store, and on the search box you want to type in Instagram. If you encounter updates just like mine, then you have to click on the update button and log in into your account. That could be a helpful way to fix it. So if not, you want to do the next step, that is long press onto your Instagram application, go to this I button, and here you want to make sure to click on storage and cache. So go to that, and here click on cache as well as storage, as this is going to delete the data but might be helpful. So go ahead and click the OK button, and once again re-log in into your account and see whether the issue is being solved or not. If not, then you could actually go ahead and contact the support team. So for that, you want to exit out of this page, and then you want to go ahead and open up your browser, type in Instagram support, and here go ahead and send a feedback. They will be able to look into your matter. So these are some of the ways in order to fix undefined on Instagram app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.